Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually force restart your iPhone 16 Pro Max. As you see that there are two buttons on the left side of your phone, which is positive and volume up and volume down here, and on the right side of your phone there is a power button. You need to hold your phone like this, and now to restart your phone you need to press the volume button up and then down and then keep holding the power button. I'm going to do this. As you see, the screen will goes black and an Apple sign will show up. So volume button up, volume button down, and I'm holding the power button. It will take for a moment to screen goes black and an Apple sign will show up. That means that your phone is actually being restarted. It will take for a while, just like this, and screen goes black. And now I'm keep holding the power button. Now I have just released the power button, and the phone actually force restarted. As you see, it takes for a while and it is very easy to restart an iPhone. If in most cases, if your screen's stuck or your applications or any application which goes stuck down, you need to actually force restart your phone and it goes back to the normal. I hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next video, bye bye.